Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the preset file lives in Google Drive and that Alight motion is updated. Do that first. Once signed into Drive, upload the preset or exported zip to a dedicated folder so you can find it fast. Make sure the device you'll import on uses the same Google account, otherwise permission errors happen. Now open Drive and locate the file. Keep this app open, because the next step is transferring it into Alight motion directly from. Once the file is visible in Drive, tap the three dots and choose Open with or Share. Pick the Files app if needed, then select Alight motion. This hands the file to the editor. If Drive holds a zip, extract it using Files or a file manager and confirm the preset is present. In Alight motion, tap Import, then project from File or Preset. Select the transferred file. You'll see a preview. Apply it to a new project so settings don't overwrite existing work. You finish by applying the preset to a test clip and adjusting keyframes, timing, or color so it fits your footage. Once you're happy, save a duplicate project and export the preset back to Google Drive as a preset or zip for reuse. If import fails, clear Alight motion cache, sign out and back into Google Drive, and re-download the file. Those steps fix most permission or corruption problems. Finally, keep a local copy on device for offline access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.